Have you ever pondered the infinite expanse of the universe? A question that has captivated the human mind since the dawn of consciousness, sparking an insatiable curiosity that has fueled our journey for knowledge and understanding. In the grand tapestry of existence, the universe is the canvas upon which every story ever told, every life ever lived, and every event ever unfolded is painted. Its sheer size and scale are beyond human comprehension, a vast expanse filled with celestial bodies, galaxies, and phenomena that boggle the mind. From the earliest days of our species, we have looked up at the night sky with wonder and awe. The universe has always been a source of mystery and fascination, a puzzle to solve, an enigma to unravel. Ancient civilizations, each in their own way, tried to interpret this grand spectacle. They attributed divine significance to celestial bodies, creating myths and legends that reflected their understanding of the universe and our place in it. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, believed that the universe was a cosmic ocean, while the Greeks saw it as an ordered cosmos, with Earth at the center. The Mayans, on the other hand, perceived the universe as a vast tree, its branches reaching out into the heavens. And the Chinese, they envisioned the universe as a giant egg, the sky being the shell and the Earth its yolk. These interpretations, though varied and unique, all share a common thread. An attempt to comprehend the incomprehensible, to make sense of the unfathomable. They represent the human endeavor to find our place in the grand scheme of things, to understand our role in the cosmic theater. As time went on, our understanding of the universe evolved, fueled by scientific discoveries and technological advancements. From believing we were the center of everything, to realizing we are but a tiny speck in the grand cosmic dance. The universe, as we've come to understand, is far more vast and complex than our ancestors could have ever imagined. And so our journey of discovery continues, always pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, always seeking answers to the mysteries of the universe. The first model of the universe, developed by the ancient Greeks, placed Earth at the center. This was the Heliocentric Model, a view that proposed that all celestial bodies, including the sun, moon, and stars, revolved around our planet. It was a perspective that made sense to our ancestors, as it closely aligned with their daily observations. One of the most prominent supporters of this model was the astronomer Ptolemy. His work, the Almagest, meticulously detailed the complex movements of the stars and planets, reinforcing the belief in a geocentric universe. This model was not merely a scientific theory, but it also held cultural and religious significance. It painted a picture of a universe designed with us at its heart, a comforting thought that resonated with many. The geocentric model dominated for centuries, but our understanding of the universe was about to undergo a revolutionary change. It was a shift that would forever change our perception of our place within the cosmos. Enter Nicholas Copernicus, a man who dared to challenge the geocentric model. As a Renaissance mathematician and astronomer, Copernicus presented a radically different view of the cosmos. He proposed a heliocentric model, where the sun, not the Earth, was the center of the universe. This idea was revolutionary. It took the Earth off its pedestal and placed it among the stars. But it wasn't just a shift in perspective. Copernicus's heliocentric model was a giant leap for mankind's understanding of space. It made sense of the seemingly erratic movements of planets, gave rise to the concept of a vast universe, and paved the way for future astronomical discoveries. Of course, this revolutionary concept didn't come without controversy. The geocentric model had been accepted for over 1,000 years, and challenging this belief was met with vast resistance. But truth, as they say, cannot be held down for long. Copernicus's heliocentric model set the stage for future discoveries in astronomy. Fast forward to the 20th century, where Edwin Hubble made a groundbreaking discovery. It was the Roaring '20s, a time of jazz, flappers, and a revolution in our understanding of the cosmos. Hubble, peering into the depths of the universe through the lens of his telescope, noticed something peculiar. The galaxies he observed seemed to be moving away from us, and the farther they were, the faster they were receding. This was a rather shocking revelation. If galaxies are moving apart, it implies that the universe itself is expanding. But what does an expanding universe mean? It's like baking a raisin bread. As the dough rises, the raisins move farther apart from each other, but none of them is at the center of the expansion. Similarly, every galaxy in the universe is moving away from every other, giving the impression that each is at the center of the expansion. This discovery significantly changed our understanding of the universe's size. If the universe is constantly expanding, then it must be incredibly vast, far larger than we had ever imagined. But it also brought up a new question. If the universe is expanding, could we rewind the clock and find a point where it all began? This led to the concept of the Big Bang, the idea that the universe started as a hot, dense point nearly 14 billion years ago, and has been expanding ever since. Suddenly, the universe had an age, and it was ancient. But the discovery of an expanding universe did more than just give the universe an age and size. It also introduced the concept of cosmic evolution. The universe isn't just a static stage on which events play out, but a dynamic, ever-changing entity. Stars are born, galaxies collide, and the universe grows. Hubble's discovery of the expanding universe was a game-changer. It showed us that the universe is not static, but dynamic and ever-changing. It's a concept that continues to shape our understanding of the cosmos, reminding us that we are a small part of a grand unfolding cosmic story. So how big is the universe? Well, that's a question that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and dreamers for centuries. To even begin to comprehend the enormity of the universe, we must first understand the concept of the observable universe. The observable universe is essentially the part of the universe that we can see from Earth. It's a sphere with us at the center, and its radius is the distance that light has been able to travel since the universe's birth some 13.8 billion years ago. But remember, this is just what we can observe. Now, you might be wondering, if the universe is around 13.8 billion years old, why isn't the observable universe just 13.8 billion light-years in radius? This is where the magic of cosmic expansion comes into play. Due to the universe expanding over time, the observable universe is actually about 93 billion light-years in diameter. But here's the kicker. The universe extends far, far beyond what we can observe. Yes, you heard that right. The universe is much larger, perhaps even infinite, than what our current technology allows us to see. Our telescopes can only gaze so far into the cosmos, and beyond that we are left in the dark, quite literally. This is humbling, isn't it? Knowing that our home, our planet, is but a tiny speck in the vast cosmic ocean. Yet, it's also inspiring. It's a reminder of our potential, of how far we've come in our understanding of the universe, and the exciting possibilities of what we might discover next. Despite our advancements, we are still bound by the limitations of our current technology and understanding. We've peered into the cosmic depths, discovered galaxies far beyond our own, and yet, we are only beginning to scratch the surface. We've come a long way in our understanding of the universe, but there's still much we don't know. And that, my friends, is the beauty and mystery of the cosmos. What does the future hold for space exploration and our understanding of the universe? The future of space exploration is as boundless as the cosmos itself. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, the frontier of space is teeming with potential for new discoveries and advancements in technology. Today, we're living in a world where space agencies and private companies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're launching missions to Mars, sending probes to the far reaches of our solar system, and planning manned missions to the moon. The race to explore the cosmos is heating up, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. This new age of exploration is propelling us towards a future where we may uncover the answers to some of our biggest questions. Could there be life beyond Earth? Our recent missions to Mars, including the Perseverance rover, are searching for signs of past microbial life, offering a tantalizing glimpse into what may be possible. And it's not just Mars. The icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, like Europa and Enceladus, are also potential hotspots for life, with their subsurface oceans possibly harboring conditions suitable for life as we know it. But it's not just about finding life, it's about understanding the universe and our place in it. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch soon, will peer deeper into the universe than ever before, opening up whole new realms of discovery. The future of space exploration is also about technology. As we develop new propulsion systems, advanced robotics, and more resilient spacecraft, we're building the tools that will carry us to the stars. Space exploration is a testament to human curiosity, our desire to understand the world around us. It's about pushing the boundaries, about venturing into the unknown. As we continue to explore the final frontier, who knows what secrets the universe will reveal next? The cosmos is a vast, uncharted territory, and we are just at the beginning of our journey. It's a thrilling time to be alive, as every step we take in space brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe.